Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to import the product in Odoo 19 using a simple process. Okay, so here I'm using a spreadsheet and I'll show you the information regarding each product. And basically, this method is a perfect way when you have many product like furniture items, grocery, or clothes and everything, and you guys need to upload them quickly instead of creating them one by one. So as you all know that how to create a new product, you can move on to the sales, inventory and purchase module and you can move to the product and like by clicking on the product tab, you can see the dashboard itself, right? So here this is the product that have been pre-created and if you want to create a new one, you can move on to the new button and you will get a form like this, but you need to specify each options by the corresponding product name and the product type, invoicing policy, and if you want to track the inventory, you need to enable them. And if you want to sell and purchase, you need to enable the particular option. And for the sales price, sales tax, cost, and purchase tax, you need to verify or you need to specify each quantity and values very easily. Sorry, not easily, but in a little bit tough way because you need to do everything in a manual way, right? But imagine that once you need to import some of the product from a spreadsheet or any Excel, how you can do them inside Odoo 19. It's a very simple thing, and there we have an option to import them as well. So let's see how we can do that. So let me discard this, and once I'm done with it, I want to show you the spreadsheet that have been created. So let me show you. Here it is my spreadsheet. Now you can see the product name, the product category, unit of measures, cost, and sale price. There we have the customer tax and vendor tax. So from here itself, now you can see each and everything. What are the product name and the corresponding details of that particular product. So here we have 10 products. Now you can see them and I'm going to import this 10 product into my DB. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can simply move to the files and you need to download this into an XLSS format. I've already downloaded it and you can also download this as a CSV because Odoo is supporting to the CSV and XLSX. Okay. So once you're done with that, now let's move to the product itself and I'm going to with the gear icon of the product. Now you can see the gear icon and you have an option to import the records. Okay, this is the option to import all your product data. By clicking on there you will get a dashboard. You can drop or upload a file to import from here itself. And there we have an option to upload the data files. By clicking on there you need to choose the downloaded file. So here you all know that it is product list. Once I am done with that, let's select. So on my spreadsheet, as you all know, on my spreadsheet, I have three sheets. But first sheet is selecting different kind of things. So I need to select the sheet number 3 because under the sheet number 3, I've just provided all the details about my product. Okay. So this is the file column and Odoo field. Now you can see it. So under the file column, you can see the what are the columns that have been provided. Each file, each um product files. Okay, now you can see the product name, product category, unit of measures, cost, sale price, customer tax, and vendor taxes. Now you need to understand one thing that the file column must be fetched to the Odoo field. And now you can see one of the field is not fetched properly. So you need to provide the product name. Okay, so here I'm choosing the product name by selecting the particular field. Now you can see, so it's product or name. Okay, once you're done with that, it's fetched properly. Now you can see all such details. And you can also see under the value side, which means the customer taxes, it's provided some values. So to import multiple values, separate them by a comma as well. So you need to separate them by a comma. So once you are done with that, we have different option, which means we have already selected the sheet and you can use the first row as the header. So if you need to do that, you can simply enable this option. And there we have a different kind of smart buttons on the top, which means test, import, load data files and cancel it. Okay. So, before importing each of the information about the product, you need to test it first. By moving on to the test side, you can see. So, there we have found more than 10 errors and more than one error per 10 records interrupted to avoiding showing too many errors. So, now let's see what are the errors. So, there we have one thing which means like for the product category, it's not showing the exact category. So, it is basically like in our Odoo, I don't have a category which is called all saleable and clothing. Okay, so now you can see. So for creating or to fetch them equally, we have some option when a value cannot be matched, which means you can prevent the importing. We can set a value as empty, skip the record and create a new value. So here I'm going to click on create a new value. Once I'm done with it, it's going to fetch now. And they we have the customer taxes. Under that you can see we need to separate it by comma. So here I'm going to select it as create a new value. So it will create very easily. Under the purchase tax also we need to create a new value, or you can skip it, or you don't want to import it. You can choose anything. Okay, by importing any values. Now let's test one more time. Now you can see all the details have been provided, and let's import this. Okay. So it's not importing. I think okay, there is a field which is not fetch it very properly. So here I'm going to provide it as me. So once I'm done with that, record does not exist or has been deleted. Okay. So it's okay, no problem. Now let's test this one more time. So once we are testing it, you can see a blue color message or warning or a particular message. It shows like everything seems valid because we have already provided each and every details that have been corresponding and fetched to each file columns to Odoo field. So once I'm done with that, now I'm okay to import this file into my DB. Okay, so once you're entered all the details and all the corrected errors, now you can import it. So once I'm imported, now you can see 10 record successfully imported into our DB. So which is a casual hoodie. Then we have cotton t-shirt, denim jeans, formal shirt, jackets, kids t-shirt, leggings. Then we have saris, sport shorts, and then we have women kurtis as well. By clicking on each of the product, now you can see it can be sell and purchase, and now you can see the product type which is good, and now you can see the sales price and the purchase tax and everything. But if you want to track the inventory of each product, you can move to the inventory module, and from there itself move to the product, and you can use the gear icon and you can import all of the product if you want to track the inventory. So here I've forgot to move on to the inventory, but no problem. In this way, you can similarly do the same step inside the inventory module as well. So once you're done with that, now you can see all the details, the sales tax, and there we don't have any purchase tax. That's why it's not filled. So now you can see the sales tax is correctly inputted, which means that we have GST of 12%. So that's how simply you can import them, and moving on to the imported files is there, and moving on to the product. Now it's imported all the details, and it's refreshed by the particular product that we have imported into our DB very easy. So that's how simply you can import the products in Odoo 19. It's very beginner friendly. It's very easy to do that. You don't need to manually provide each and detailed information of every product. You can use this. Okay. So that's all about this video. So I'll be back with another video that I'm going to show you in the next video, which is how to import the attribute and values of the product. Okay. So stay tuned for that. Till that, bye bye.